RCS enhances texting with features like read receipts, group chats, and high-resolution media sharing in Google Messages. Tracfone as an MVNO relies on underlying carrier networks, making RCS support variable. If RCS isn't working, it often reverts to SMS MMS. Check network. Verizon and AT&T-based Tracphones have better RCS support than T-Mobile. Verify APN settings. Ensure APN is set correctly for Tracfone in Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Access Point Names. Enable RCS in Google Messages. Go to Settings and confirm RCS is enabled. Check Data Plan. RCS uses data. Ensure sufficient data is available and enabled for messaging. SIM card compatibility. Older SIMs may not support RCS. Consider upgrading to a newer SIM. If issues persist, clear Google Messages cache, force stop the app, and restart your phone. If basic fixes don't work, try these advanced steps. First, force stop and clear cache for Google Messages to reset its connection. Second, briefly enable airplane mode to reset network connections. Third, contact Tracfone support to verify your SIM and plan compatibility with RCS. Looking ahead, RCS adoption is growing, and Tracfone is expected to improve its support. By 2026, near-universal RCS is predicted. Trends include increased data usage for messaging and potential integration of features like video calling. Keep your Google Messages app updated, monitor your data usage, and be aware that RCS support can vary based on Tracfone's ongoing network upgrades. If problems continue, SIM replacement may be required.